Let me open CorelDRAW by going to Start and selecting CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 3. Now choose CorelDRAW X3 to open it. Before I begin, I want to verify certain settings including the paper size, which is A4. Now, the unit of measurement of the ruler, which is in millimeters, which is what I want. To snap two different objects together, click on View, Snap to Objects. I have a few scanned images of logos that my friends have given me. I am planning to open all of them. They happen to be in the same file. There they are. I lock all the objects together so that they don't move. Let me see. I'll select this one using the Bezier tool. I'm going to test your memory now. Tell me, which tool did we use in Photoshop for selection? Remember the pen tool? Yes. The equivalent of the pen tool in CorelDRAW is the Bezier tool. Note that a property bar specific to the Bezier tool appears. Just like the pen tool, the Bezier tool too opens these anchor points that you can click and drag to form the shape of your choice. Note that I am using the option on the property bar. Similarly, you could click and drag the arrowheads too. I work around with anchor points and the arrowheads alternatively. Is it done? Oh no, this bit here is a little off the mark. Let me zoom in. Now I use this option from the property bar and size the selection. Some more touching up. Now some fine tuning. Now I am to increase the width of the outline. Makes it prominent. And now I change the color. Now for some more touching up. I'm now working on the inner feathers. Look, now I'm shaping them all using the same Bezier tool. The technique is the same. Just click and drag the anchor points and the arrowheads until you get the desired shape. Now for these feathers. Watch as I shape one. Now I'll simply make copies of this shape. Then I can resize and rotate them. Now I can duplicate it. The inner shading is not seen in the duplicate copy. Why? Yes, you're right. Whatever I selected using the Bezier tool is what gets duplicated. I want to remove the outline. To do this, I select the outline and use the No Outline tool. I'll now fill color. Purple it should be. Now let's put the text. I click on the text tool and type the text in the font of my choice. Now for some resizing till it goes well with the image. Let me match the color of the text with that of the image. Now for some embellishment. An eye for my bird. I want to now give a shadow effect to the text. So, first I duplicate it, color the duplicate in black, and then push it behind the original text. For this, go to Arrange, Order, to Back of Layer. That pushes the duplicate behind the original text, giving a shadow effect. See? Now that I have decided to go with this logo, I'll unlock so that I can move the other logos out of this document. I'll take it to the center. Now to make a logo out of this image, create a circle around the image using the ellipse tool. Next, fill color using the color bar. Now, to push the colored circle behind the bird. We've done this before. Go to Arrange, Order, to Back to Layer. The bird and its feathers are independent entities. Let me group them as one. Now I'll make the text visible by changing the color. Then color the feather. To do that, I have to ungroup what I have grouped earlier. Using the color bar, I'll color them white. Now I'm going to color the bird. First select it, then go to Fill tool in the toolbar. From there, select the Fountain Fill option. This gives me a range of colors to choose from. Now I can change the big color. Again, to blend some colors, I choose Fountain Fill option. Now for the shadow of the text. I make it purple so that it goes with the color of the bird. Now I group the entire thing. Let me now reposition and resize this image. Let me take it a little to the top. Oh no, I didn't do the grouping properly. The circle part missed out. Let me group it again. It's done now. But this is not my final cut. Watch what I do. I duplicate this image. Now just observe. Saw that? I created a mirror image of the bird. That's option 2 of the logo. Now one more. Here we go. Watch as I do. That's option 3. Always give your client at least 2 to 3 options to select from. Time to save. Save the file in two formats, CDR and JPEG.